Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on Unit 1, Illumination and Color Models. A color model is a specification of a 3D color coordinate system and a visible subset in the coordinate system within which all colors in a particular color range lie. For example, RGB color model is the unit cube subset of 3D Cartesian coordinate system. The color model allows to give convenient specification of colors in the specific or gamut. There are three hardware-oriented color models: RGB used for color CRT monitors, YIQ used for the broadcast TV color system, CMY cyan, magenta, yellow used for some color printing devices, and advanced version is that is CMYK model, that is black is added. However, these models are not easy to use because they does not relate directly to intuitive color notions of hue, saturation and brightness. Therefore, another class of color model has been developed. These include HSV, HLS and HVC models. So we'll be looking at about those things. The above four models are hardware oriented color models. As I told you, but these models are not easy to use because they does not relate directly to intuitive color notations of hue, saturation and brightness. We define other color models like HSV, HLS, HSV, HVC. The human eye can perceive about 382,000 different colors. The distance between two colors in the color cube is not a measure actually. If we take the physical, if I would like to remind you the physical properties of light, when white light consists of a spectrum of all visible colors, all kinds of light can be described by the energy of each wavelength. Most light we see is not just a single wavelength, but a combination of many wavelengths like below. This about the below profile is often referred to as a spectrum or spectral power distribution. Thereby we perceive colors. So there are different frequency ranges for different colors. A few of a sample is given here. Frequency we may term in terms of frequency or wavelengths. So for an example of red and violet, it is given here. So additive color mixing. That is additive color mixing. Here normally we combine red two-third of green, one-third of blue. Then we can get white color. But we can observe in terms of CMY color model from this RGB color, then we can get the black color. So these are certain additive primaries and color mixing concept. In terms of if we mix red and green, we may get that is we get yellow, red and blue we get magenta. When we mix green and blue in the right proportion, we'll get cyan. Red, blue and green mixing, we'll get white. None, finally we'll get a black. So in terms of additive, we looked at the possible colors. In terms of subtractive color mixing, when we combine example cyan, magenta, yellow, then we can get black color. But we can observe on an or that is inversely proportional way RGB color from the CMY color, then we can get white color. So subtractive primaries and color mixing concept probably we'll get by mixing magenta and yellow, red. The opposite version of additive color mixing. Magenta and cyan we get blue. Cyan and yellow we get green. Magenta, yellow, cyan we get black. So none we get here white. So intuitive color concept. Color mixing created by an artist. Shades, tints and tones in scene can be produced by mixing color pigments. We call it as an hues with white and black pigments. Shades in terms of add black pigment to pure color. The more black pigment, the darker the shade we get. Tints we term it to be add white pigment to the original color, making it lighter as more white is added. And in terms of tone, tones produced by adding both black and white pigments. So that's what the term defined by shades, tints and tones. It is possible to make pure color lighter by adding a white pigment and darker by on and whole by adding black pigments to it. Thus, different tones, shades of the color produced by adding both black and white pigments. Describing a color as a set of three numbers that give the relative proportions of the primary colors. It is generally much easier to make a color lighter by adding white and make a color darker by adding black. Therefore, graphics packages generally provide two or more color models, color palettes to a user, often employ two or more color models. Therefore, graphics package providing color palettes generally use two or more color models color. One color model provides an intuitive color interface for the user, another describes the color components for the output devices. So coming to the RGB color model, the RGB color model is prevalently used in color CRT monitors. Here RGB, that is red, green, blue, are added together to get the resultant color white. The green here the color raster graphic employ a Cartesian coordinate system. You can see that particular picture in the slide. In this model, the individual contribution of red, green and blue are added together to get the resultant color. We can represent this color model with the unit cube defined on R, G and B axis as shown in this figure. The vertex of the cube on the axis represents the primary colors and the remaining vertices represent the complementary color for each of the primary colors. The main diagonal of the cube with equal amounts of each primary represents the gray levels. The end at the origin of the diagonal represents black 0, 0, 0 and other end represents white with the coordinates 1, 1, 1. Each color point within the bounds of the cube is represented as the triple RGB, where value for RGB are assigned in the range from 0 to 1. So thereby we get different colors. As mentioned earlier, it is an additive model. Intensities of the primary colors are added to get the resultant color. Thus, the resultant color C lambda is expressed in RGB component as C lambda is equal to RR plus GG plus BB. The RGB chromaticity coordinates from the CIE RGB color model are given as there are standard coordinates that can be added for getting the additive colors. So each color point within the bounds of the cube is represented as triple and the value of RGB are assigned in the range of 0 to 1. So here RGB color placed together at 120 degree as shown in the previous figure. Red, green, blue, finally we get white contributes. All other colors are generated from these three primary colors. Next comes our CMY color model. In this model, cyan, magenta and yellow colors are used as a primary colors. This model is used for describing color output to hard copy devices, unlike video monitor which produce a color pattern by combining light from the screen phosphors. Hard copy devices such as plotters produce a color picture by coating a paper with color pigments. Hardly again, this model is used for describing color output to hard copy devices. The subset of the Cartesian coordinate system for the CMY model is the same as that of RGB, except you can note that white, full light instead of black, no light, is at the origin. So that's one difference. Colors are specified by what is removed or subtracted from white light rather than by what is added to blackness. Cyan can be formed by adding green and blue light. Therefore, when white light is reflected from cyan colored ink, the reflected light does not have red component. That is, red light is observed or subtracted by the ink. Magenta ink subtracts the green component from incident light and yellow subtracts the blue component. Therefore, cyan, magenta and yellow are said to be complements of red, green, blue respectively. As shown in this figure, it shows the cube representation for CMY model. The points 1, 1, 1 represents black because all components of the incident light are subtracted. 0, 0, 0 coordinates the origin represents white light. The main diagonal represents equal amount of primary colors, thus the gray colors we get. A combination of cyan and yellow produces green light because the red and blue components of the incident light are observed. Other color combinations are obtained by a similar subtractive process. It is possible to get CMY representation from RGB representation by subtracting one another by the vector of 1, 1, 1. Each color point within the bounds of the cube is represented as the triple CMY, where the value of CMY are also assigned in the range of 0 to 1. Here CMY color also placed together at 120 degree as shown in the previous figure. Cyan plus magenta plus yellow, we get the contribution of black. All the other colors are generated from these three primary